asking for the faintest breath. I guess you were another taste. Sometimes I dream that I can fly. My heart hangs far up in the sky, where I can sit and watch the rain, where there is no such thing as pain. I see your face right beneath this cloud. I realize what a waste, what a waste you were. And although it may have taken me a while, I finally realized my worth, because of footsteps and